Actually, marami siya, lahat B. Nagbarimar ako. Naku, ayoko.
Ako na lang gusto nyo.
Si ito,
Karimari.
Thank you so much. 800k views na yung naunang live. 586k yung ngayon. Grabe naman yan. Naku, mukhang nag-enjoy sila sa English only, ma.
Diba nga? Diyos kong hirap-hirap.
Pwede naman natin to ulitin, guys. Pero next time naman.
Oo, give us a break.
At
Give us a
saka,
break.
at least man lang dapat merong wine, konting shot, yung panulak sa lalamunan para smooth.
Para lumabas yung engine.
Yes, mas nakakaisip kasi tayo pag medyo mayroong konting panulak, mas malakas yung loob.
Kaya guys, padalahan nyo na ako ng pang-wine.
Croissant. Popost ko nga itong croissant.
Magwa-wine kami.
You're so pretty. Thank you so much.
Hindi ikaw, ako daw.
Ay, ko ba?
Thank you. We wine ourselves.
Ma, sabi you're so pretty, not so dirty.
Yung pala yun.
Diba?
Mali lang yung pagkakarinig ko.
Besya daw yun. Sabi ko, ang sabi, you're so pretty, not so dirty.
Mali pa yung pagkakaintindi ko.
Maridong.
Oo.
Maridong.
Yeah, that's Maridong.
Hi to our 18,000 viewers. O yung 18,000 viewers naman yan, follow nyo rin yung FB account ko.
Oo, ako din, AJD.
Yung Joseph Dodong Bangkat. Guys, follow my account ha, Facebook account. Joseph Dodong
Ano
Bangkat.
yung sabihin mo dapat nung nag-live kayo? Sabi mo, El Nido mo na sasabihin. Oo nga, may
Oo
naniningil.
Ano nga yun? We forgot?
I forgot. No, actually, I don't forgot.
Oo.
Pero pinaalala mo sa akin, salamat. Tingnan natin. Kasi keep on reminding me, guys. Ito 12 na, guys. Naka-monitor sa live si Mr. Bangkat nasa CR. Oh my gosh.
Mamazong ha?
Naka-monitor siya. Kahit nasa CR.
Yeah, watching. Makamonitor siya watching.
Sorry ka, wala ka dito. Basta pag
Ano
wala
yun?
ka dito, wala ka dito.
English only face-to-face challenge.
Yeah.
Face-to-face only.
Naka-follow na ako sa'yo, Mama Do.
Ay, thank you so much. Guys, follow pa yung 17,000. Titingnan ko dito kung tumataas kung nagpa-follow kayo, ha? Watch ko. Kundi ay pa-follow in you. Guys, dagdag pa, wala pa. Follow nyo na Joseph Dodong Bangkat.
Naalala niyo yun? Basta remind nyo lang ako, guys. Wala si Chris dito. Huwag kayong ganyan. Hindi naman yan. Hindi yan totoo. Sakit na nga ng ulo ko, guys. Actually,
Ay, English.
second day ng period ko ngayon. I'm not feeling well. Tapos kagabi di ako nakatulog. Huwag nyo na pa sakitin ulo ko. Dagdag pa yan sa iisipin ko eh. Ulitin mo daw yung FB account mo, Mama Dong.
Joseph Dodong Bangkat. Eto.
Saka AJD.
Eto po. Kita ba?
Thank you so much, guys. Salamat. Ay, bumaba na kasi hindi na tayo nag-i-English. Okay lang.
Yan.
Mababa na din yung energy namin, guys.
Oo nga, mainit na eh. Follow nyo to,
English
ha?
is not, na available at this moment.
Yes. English is not available at
Prince,
this moment.
si Prince Adrian Dagdag, watch.
Mama, English is not available this time around.
Yes.
So, come back again.
Yeah, 12, it's 12 noon, so the
It's done.
English is stopped.
Stop already. The timer stops.
Yes, Chris knows that it's already 12.
Thank
to
you
stop.
so much, LV. I love you.
Hi, Prince Dagdag.
AJD, follow nyo rin
Sa
ha.
mata.
Ayan, asa na ba yan? 18, yes.
Guys, Pagdating ni Mr. B, ano na kami?
Sumama sila sa palengke.
Alis na kami. Wag na, ang hirap ganyan, wag na, may hirap, tama na. Wala na, tapos na yun ha.
Oo, tapos na.
Oh, nako, only 1 hour. Mr. B is here, magbababay lang siya sa inyo and then we'll leave, okay?
John
Uy,
RB,
you need to
shout
speak
out.
English. Mr. B
Hi.
is here.
Yeah. Hi, John RB, shout out to you.
Uy, mag-English ka, English na.
Yes, yes.
Ayan na siya, Day. So,
Yes,
hi guys.
Hi guys, we are the
Mr.
world.
B is coming there.
Yes,
So
so
we have to speak English.
Yeah, again.
we English ourselves.
Yeah.
And
Come here, so we need to bye-bye.
you guys speaking Tagalog?
No, we
No.
don't. We did not.
we English, right? Because you're here now.
That's a clear violation of this challenge.
Whatever.
Guys, what do you
This
think we
is
should
finish.
What should be the punishment?
Bye-bye na.
You say bye-bye.
Wait, bye.
We go na to the
guys.
market.
Bye-bye, guys.
Guys, you follow my account, ha?
JD.
That's one. Joseph Dodong Bangkat, follow me.
Don't tell anyone, my gosh. Bye. We love you.
We love you, mga
Don't tell anyone
guys.
We're going to the market.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, don't tell anybody.
Don't tell anybody. Okay, that's our
We go to the
secret.
market.
Yeah.
So no one knows that
No
we're
one-
going to the market.
That the market.
Only 16,000 people.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yan lang.
Don't spread it.
Don't spread.
Oy, Lara Summer is awake.
Oh, she is.
Yeah. And
Is she?
Kat,
Are they?
Groyon Silva is awake already. So you
Are
guys,
they coming here? Or we go to them.
are you guys waiting for us? Are
Or-
you gonna go to the market now?
Are we
Are we
the
going
world?
home? Let's go na.
We are the world.
Let's go.
Ay, Mama Dong, can you... I will call after this live.
Yeah, we call na. So, bye-bye,
Bye,
live.
guys.
Bye guys, I love you.
We live
We love
again,
you.
hopefully.
Have a
We
good.
love you.
have a-
Thank you so much. I hope you
Have a
enjoy our
good
live.
Friday.
Friday, everyone.
Have a good Friday, everyone.
Bye.
Spread positivity, spread love.
Spread love.
Spread love.
Bye.
Lamoro?
So, yun pala yun.
Yan.